Why should I be discouraged? Why should the shadows come? Why should my heart feel lonely and long for heaven and home?
When Jesus is my portion, I concentrate His eyes on the sparrow, and I know He watches over me. His eyes on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. And I know He watches over me. He watches me. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. He watches me. He watches me. He watches me.